Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to deploy SvelteKit project on Netlify. All you have to do prior to this video is just go and create a free Netlify account so you need not pay for it, and then that's it. So let's get started. All you have to do is go to SvelteKit.dev and copy that command, paste it in your terminal. So my app over here is gonna be my project name, and I'm gonna go with a demo project and none of these. Let's cd into my project and npm install. So it actually shows you how to move forward with it after you create the project, and then also like git init and all of that to initialize a git repository. We will be doing that shortly, as in let this get installed. We'll go to Visual Studio and then open our project. So yeah, hope you can see. So here in source, and if you go to routes and index, this is going to be your landing page, the first page that you get to see. And let's see if it is installed. Yeah, let's do npm run dev and have a look at how the project looks. So this is going to be the demo project that SvelteKit provides. So this is the first page that you're going to see. If I change something over here, let's just type some gibberish and then you can see it here. So to deploy it on Netlify, you just have to go to this site, which I'll link the link of in the description, and copy this command over here. And I'm gonna do Command T to open a new terminal, paste it. It needs -d over here and run that until that is being okay. That got run fairly quickly. We'll need a Netlify terminal account in our project, so let's create that, paste it. Oh, that did it have a space? I think it had a space over here. Yeah. Supposed to show. Yeah, there we go. So make sure that you don't have any spaces in between your file name. After that is done, I'm gonna copy these and paste it over here. So you need to have your build and slash functions also in your git ignore. So let's go do that. Build is already there. Let's add functions. And after that is done, we need to go to our svelte.config, and here let's change auto to Netlify. Netlify single quote and then save. After that is done, let's go to GitHub and then create a new repository for this. So let's call it Netlify example and then create. So here it's gonna give you all the commands that you need to run to initialize your Git repository. Let's do git init here, git add, that is gonna add all the files, and git commit minus -m, sorry, and then our commit message was gonna be first commit, and after that let's go copy this. So it's just gonna say a remote repository, as in like your username, remote repository name, and all of that good stuff, and branch, and we're gonna push it to our origin main. So let that, yeah. So now if I go here and refresh, you can, yeah, you'll be able to see all the files that we had in our folder. So after that is done, we're gonna go to our Netlify and import from Git, and then I'm gonna click on GitHub. So it's gonna take me to my yeah, so it's gonna show all the repositories that I have in my GitHub. So I'm gonna click on this one, and everything is already done since we added our netlify.toml account. So I'm gonna deploy this. We'll have to wait for a little bit until this gets deployed. So after it is deployed, you'll be able to see this go into green. So you'll be able to just click it and then see your project. This is free to skip ahead. It's gonna probably take a while. I'm gonna go here and stop my that, and what else can I do? Okay, yep, that is done. So I'm gonna click on this. So this is our Svelte project deployed on Netlify. So that's about it. Thank you guys.